If you have many extensions configured on your system, you may need to back them up or move them to a different HaPBX installation. To do this efficiently, we use the Export Extensions module. Step 1. Navigating to the Export module. To begin, navigate to PBX, select Extensions, and then click on Export Extensions. This is one of the simplest modules in the system. Step 2. Executing the export. The only action required here is to click the green Export Extensions button in the lower right-hand corner. When you click this button, a CSV file will be immediately generated and downloaded. This file contains all configurations for every extension in your HaPBX system. Step 3. Utilizing the CSV file. This generated CSV file has the exact same format as the one used for importing extensions. You can use this file directly with the Import Extensions module to quickly migrate all your users to another HaPBX server. Step 4. Using the file for mass modifications. Another popular and efficient use of this feature is for mass modifications. You can export all extensions, then modify multiple configurations across multiple extensions within the CSV file. After saving the changes, you simply import the file back into your HaPBX installation to update everything at once. Important note: remember a critical point. When you use the add or add device operations during the import process, the system will modify